Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to have a flip through of our Paris Nights junk journal. But first, let's have our shout out to Haku, Barbie, Catherine, Nancy, Laura, Jane, Debbie, and Dream with Caroline. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, let's begin. Oh my goodness. Well, first it has these beautiful dangles that are coming from the inside of the hand sewn signature. It has the lace covered and ribbon covered outside, and you saw me make this in one of my videos. It has a beautiful cloth ribbon type of little flower with lots of pearls in pinks and reds and blacks. It's got two little charms, or three charms here, a heart charm and two rhinestones on each tassel. It has some beautiful black grosgrain ribbon, and it is just chock full of all kinds of yumminess. Let's get inside and see what she looks like. We open her up, and we have some rhinestones that are right here on the black ruffle on the very first page. And on this page here, we have two little tassels, one with a beautiful elephant and the other one with a butterfly, and another one of those beautiful cloth roses. There's a pocket here, and inside the pocket we have a journaling card. Isn't that beautiful, with the ballerinas? So pretty. And then we have a larger journaling page here that you can journal things onto. So beautiful. Alrighty, so there's some buttons here with some gold bling in the middle, washi and lace sewn on the edge with some pink satin ribbon. On this page here, we have a printout, which is a fussy cut from My Porch Prints. It's a teacup with a little bit of sparkly paper and a rhinestone with some black lace. And on this page we have the edge of the paper covered in white lace with pink satin and two stamps here. Lots of journaling space right here. This one, we have a pocket on this side, and this is a cute little pocket, and that little bow is from Shabby Dabby Doodah. And it's got some black lace and a handmade envelope here. And inside you have more journaling space. It's a trifold journaling spot. And you have another one of those journaling pages. And this is beautiful coffee dyed paper here, and some more paper that the edge has the black lace and the white lace with the zigzag going down, holding it all on. And this one's beautiful, this paper. It's got a gold shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that. And this one's got a black lace that's sewn on with a light bulb safety pin and a very beautiful red color button for a little dangle. And here you saw me make this one. It's that secret journaling spot with the fabric flip. I just think it looks beautiful in this journal, and it sits right in this little tuck spot right here. This page too has some lace sewn on it. Here we have another little tuck spot, and we have another one of those beautiful envelopes with this one has a stamp and some words, And this one has a journaling card. Get this right back in there. And this is a beautiful tag right here. I love the little tag opening there. I just think that's so cool, the way it goes the long ways. Nice journaling spot there. Some more ribbon and lace on the edge of the paper. And there's a belly band. Oh my goodness, look at that belly band. Yummy, yummy. And in this belly band, we have a decorated envelope. And inside, we have a coffee dyed paper with some print, a letter, an old letter. And that just fits right inside, right like that, and back into the belly band. And we have a little bit of filigree here, one of those beautiful roses, and some more black lace, and some more lace on the edge. And this one here is one of those clusters that has a pin. It's pinned to the lace right up here. Now I did, excuse me, I did go ahead and put a little Velcro on there so it holds it tightly. And I like that nice addition. I received this little birdie in Happy Mail. I love my little Happy Mail birdie. It looks beautiful on that page. And here we'll have another one of those fussy cut little teacups, and I've used it as a tuck, and there's two little tiny postcards that just tuck right in there just like that. This page has pink and black splatters, and this one also has that shimmery gold to it. Once again, we've got lace sewn on the edge one. This one has a little pink lace tab. On this page, we have another little tuck spot, and we have another one of those journaling cards with a little stamp, and it's sewn around the edge with the coffee dyed paper, and an index card here made with a postcard. So cute. All right, here we have another one of the Dangles with the light bulb safety pin and a very pretty button. Another button on this corner tuck. And this journaling card has a key with beautiful rose and lots of journaling space. More lace on the edge. All the pages have lace and sewn zigzag on there. Here's another tuck spot with another journaling card, and this one has a little charm that says love, and on this side it's a heart with it's kind of beaming like the sun, and that's a nice journaling card. And a larger one of those fold outs that you can journal on, a very nice large journaling. It's not really a tag, it's paper, more like paper that's been backed with coffee dyed paper. And on here we have a large black paper clip, not a paper clip, it's a large black safety pin. And it's got some bling here, it's got a heart, it's got a tassel with some bling, it's got a key, it's got a piece of a square of that beautiful burgundy cloth, and a button with some seed beads on a bulb pin. That's a very nice dangle that just hangs off. Very nice. We have a cluster up here, and a splattered paper, and a page here that has a beautiful Paris, it says Paris here. It's got the roses that are hanging down. And here we have a clip, and this page folds out for even more journaling space. And here we made used the rice paper, the faux rice paper that we made. I took this one that is the black and the cream with some book page behind it, and I made it into a little tuck here with a very big, beautiful tag and some journaling spots here, a little booklet with some papers, and then another beautiful journaling card. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? So it has two pockets with the glassine pages and then the little booklet inside, and it just clips right here in this folded out page. Get this back here, clip back there. I have another one of those teacups, and it's holding a larger journaling card, another little ballerina. She's so sweet. And here we have a tuck spot that's at the top, and we have another beautiful ballerina card, and we have another journaling card. So pretty. And I love the way these pages turned out. Oh my goodness, so yummy. Look how yummy. Lots of journaling spots right there. Oh, and the pink, so beautiful. Here we have this page has a little tab that's made out of pink lace, and a little decoration down here and a cluster up here. And here we have another corner tuck, and it's got a beautiful journaling card. This was a freebie from My Porch Prints with the music on there. I love that. Another splatter, black and pink splatter page. And this one here, you see that? It's got a velvet bow with a pink button and some lace. And they're journaling pages right here. It's like a little flip book right here on this page. So nice. And then a tuck spot up there at the corner, and this is just a little piece of ephemera with some more velveteen ribbon and some more journaling spots right here. I love how this journal turned out. Now this is a tab. It's a piece of lace right there. It's made into a tab. And the very back page has another one of the teacups, and it has two journaling cards. This one has the Eiffel Tower and that same little print piece of sparkly diamonds that is on the front cover and on this tag right here, and a few other spots in the journal. And this tag, I just love this one. It has a little butterfly. It has that black velveteen ribbon. Oh, you guys, I think this would be a great addition to anyone's collection. It would be a great birthday book, or if you got some money for Christmas, it would be wonderful to treat yourself. Now, this is in my Etsy store, and so it will be there until it finds its forever home. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.